Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change WhatsApp about font style. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change your about text font style on WhatsApp, you cannot directly change the font itself, but you can simply use formatting shortcuts to make your text stand out. So simply tap launch your WhatsApp and go to any of the chat, and if you want to simply bold the particular font, like bold the particular text and make that font style into bolded, then simply use asterisk first and type in and close it with asterisk. Now it will show you a bold font style. And if you want to write something in italic style, then you can simply do underscore, type it, and do underscore again. Now it will be in italics. So if you want to change your font style to something like strike through, then you simply use a tide wave, type in the word, and do it again. Now, as you can see, the font style is again changed. So these are the steps how you can simply change your WhatsApp about font style. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.